roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
Party's over! Everybody out! The FBI! Turn that music off! Come on, get moving. The door's right there. Get moving.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And what other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Thanks. Just back up a little bit. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off shop. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrating.
Sure traced us. Ops can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. The Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
No flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Out, come to the left. Still ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up.
I got the move by the rule!
Now we're moving.
You give me the witness, Kayla, and we call it a day! I got company! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you, you asshole?
Don't think you're getting away! On the road!
Way to go, Letty.
I'm running on the missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got you.
Pulling up ship head for the bridge! Under construction!